Welcome back everyone. I definitely need more stories, so today I'm going to make a cheap drawer. Let's get started. I have cut a base and a few pieces from a leftover of MDF 10mm thick. So I assemble all the parts with PVA glue, some screws and nails. I'm using the Chipboard Squares I made in the previous episode. If you want to see the video where I made them, you can find the link above or below. After applying the glue, I insert some screws and nails to hold the parts in place. Everything is secured with the nail gun. Guys, if you like the video, help me grow the channel, subscribe, like and leave a comment below. Thank you. The drawer slides very well without jamming. I continue the work by assembling the front of the drawer with pieces of recycled wood. With PVA glue and dowels as usual. After an hour the piece is ready and I can trim it. I use double-sided tape to keep it in the right position. And with some screws I lock it permanently. Easy, cheap and quick, and no need for expensive guides or handles. Number 2. Screwdriver holder. I need to tidy up my workstation, so I need a screwdriver holder. The 45 degrees cut is very useful for giving solidity to the structure. I use a 10mm drill bit to make holes for the screwdrivers. Here we go. The French clit is very versatile, so I can move the screwdrivers wherever I need them most. Okay guys, if you like the video, subscribe, like and leave a comment. Thank you. See you in the next video. Ciao ciao.